Real Life Drama is a series of 8 workshops that are all focused around compassion and empathy. Each workshop has role-playing at its core because we want to give kids a chance to try out real-life solutions to problems without suffering the real-life consequences. Each workshop has a topic that's a little bit different, but all of them are united around that shared focus on empathy. We cover stopping bullies, when you're a bully, appreciating differences, conflict resolution, all about empathy, popularity, building integrity, and being a friend. Our goal is to help kids think about the feelings of the people around them and really internalize the idea of treating other people the way they want to be treated. Each session has 3 components. We teach a social skill using technology and discussions and interactive games. We model the skill by showing a short, professionally produced film that features young actors right here in Louisville. Then students practice the skill they've been learning by role-playing in realistic scenarios. Kids get to try different solutions for problems without those real-life consequences. By the end of this workshop, your students will have spent 8 weeks practicing empathy and compassion. And we believe that's going to make a real-life difference in your school. Contact us to schedule your sessions of Real Life Drama.